Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a trading bot for free using Python. To start the bot, you're going to want to download some price data. So to download the price data, you use YFinance. To get that, you type import YFinance as YF. So to start, I have the symbols that I want to get in this list right here. Bed Bath & Beyond, FUBU, AMC, AMD, and CCL. And then I loop through the symbols, the symbol in symbols. So I loop through each one of these. And then this is something I'll get to in a second. So once we have the symbol, ticker equals symbol, then we want to use YFinance to download the price data. I'm using the interval 5 minute, but you could put in whatever interval you want to trade on. And then right here, all these lines are doing a list comprehension to create a list of those elements from this data frame, so that then you can put these into a NumPy array. And I imported NumPy as NP. And I need that because I like to use TALib, which is a Python library that is written in C sharp and or C++, I don't know. And it's really difficult to download. But if you're on a Mac OS, you'll type in brew TALib or brew, and then after that you'll be able to download it. You might have to watch some YouTube videos on how to download TALib. I don't want to backtrack too much, but so then it will use TALib to get the RSI, SMA, and engulfing patterns. TALib has a lot of different indicators that are really nice to use. I'm gonna bring up the docs. Let me bring it over to this screen. 1 second. It's not coming over, so I'll just open it up in Chrome. And see, they have momentum indicators, which is all of these, and then it has pattern recognition, which is really nice. So it has all the different patterns. So you can look through and find whatever indicators you want for your specific pattern, and then just put them in there. Like for engulfing, you can just pick a different one, and then for like the candlestick recognition, it outputs a integer of -100 if it's bearish, 100 if it's bullish, and 0 if it doesn't occur. So then after that, I went through and got the most recent value, the last value in that array, using the length function to get the length -1, which would be the last one. And then it uses those to trade with, uses those values to decide whether or not to enter a trade or not. And then, so I use Alpaca API, but you could use whatever API you want, just import a different API. Like with the Tradier, there's a different API called Tradier, which I just signed up for, which you can trade options with, which you can't do with Alpaca. Or you could try to hook up your Robinhood account, because you just need to put in, like, get a way so that after these conditions are met, if these conditions are met, then have your trade API submit an order. And then this one has like stop loss and stuff put into it, but you might have to, like, say if current price goes to a certain point, then exit the trade. And then I ran it on a schedule so that you could just press run once in the morning, and then it'll run for the whole day. And this one uses oh, and then so this stuff up at the top right here. So I get the date, the current date, and yesterday's date for where to pull the prices from for here. And then I get my API, my config, my key, my secret, and my URL. And then I list all the orders that I'm in. So I list all my positions, so that then if I'm already in a position of CCL, then it's not going to enter another position, so it's going to skip that stock. So then it does another list comprehension right here for all the symbols that are in the orders dictionary, orders call, which it gets from the trade API. So I'm gonna I'm gonna link my GitHub down below, so you can just copy and paste this, and then just, instead of having, I'm not gonna put my API key and stuff, but you can just enter your Alpaca trade API stuff. And if you use, I'll have both of these. This one uses Y Finance to get the price data. This one uses Alpaca to get the bars. But to use this, you have to pay $100 a month to Alpaca. So I'm gonna show Alpaca. It's a really nice, you can sign up for free, and then you get a paper trading account, so you could just test out your stuff, or you could put some money in, make it a live trading account. But to get the bars and stuff, it costs $100 a month, which is a lot to ask, I think. But I eventually just went and did it. They have like different information here for if you get stuck while you're using their API. So that's all. I'm gonna keep building on this current one right here. I'm gonna keep building on this and making more videos, so that eventually it'll have like a sign in, sign out page, and a database connected to it that has all of these stocks that you want to trade. So I'll keep making videos on how to continue with this. Thank you.